Please watch his video and his mansion and his family. Thank you so much, Luke, for giving me an opportunity to use your music. Thank you, and I am a fan for a long time. Guys, please watch the video.
Surprised at how far he's come since his early days of small town living. I've seen some comments requesting a video on Luke and Academy of Country Music Awards, and his album from the same year, Crash My Party, received the first Album of the Decade award too. Besides Luke's musical talent of $700K. It sounds pretty modest, but considering all the work Luke put into building his dream farm, I'm sure he spent close to the multi-million-dollar range. Luke named the farm the Red Bird Farm for his sister Kelly that passed away because he wanted to honor her. Him and his wife have a main house on the property, a guest house, a huge party barn, and a large barn for rescued animals. Luke got help designing his Nashville home from interior designer Chad James, and he constructed the little farm into a renovated modern home, yet kept a weathered farmhouse feel. The property spans 150 acres of land, and while Chad was working on the main house and barn, Luke and the family were able to live in the guest house. The house here spans 1,800 square feet and is really a full home. Special events Brett's Barn hosts raise donations for the Brett Boyer Foundation, which go towards research for advanced treatment options for kids with congenital heart disease. They also have a ton of rescue animals on their farm, which sounds like my lifelong dream. Caroline revealed that she had promised Brett a pony and delivered her promise through a special white horse named Kilo and wrote on Instagram, "We always knew we would find for Brett the perfect pony, but never thought she wouldn't be here to love it." They also have a rescue goat named Goober Goldsby who was abandoned after birth, several mini horses, pigs, and at least one donkey. Not to mention there are dogs, chickens, and more. All of the animals look so cute. I hope to have a farm like this one day. On Luke's farm property, there's also a lake, fruit trees, orchards, and much more. Not only does Luke have a family farmhouse in Nashville, him and Caroline also own a beachfront getaway in sunny Florida. Located on a powdery stretch of sand on Santa Rosa Beach, Florida, you'll find the family's vacation home. This house was originally built in 1988, but the Bryans got the help of an architect, Jeff Chick, to help redesign and reimagine the outdated layout of the home. They also added another floor, so now the home is 4 stories high, and the beach house has a southern style. Luke named his Florida home Snowman to honor his late brother Chris, who died in a car crash when Luke was 19. It references a sport Chris loved, golf, and it's slang golfers use for scoring an 8 on a single hole. Not to mention the name also suits the house because it's all white outside. Luke and Caroline hired their friend Chad James to do the interior design in this place as well, the same friend who designed their Nashville home. The home is meant to be a place where the whole family can spend time together, and Chad wanted the house designed to reflect and serve the family's need for peace. Caroline said about their Florida home, "This is where Luke and I can actually relax and not run 100 miles per hour. Typically all 5 kids are here with us. There is nothing better, and Luke can fish all day, which makes him the happiest man on the ocean blue, so it feels like a vacation." Designer Chad said, "We wanted to tap into the exterior elements. I have a favorite moment right where the water meets the sky. It's always such a beautiful dark blue. I use that for an accent color, and everything else pulls from the palette of sand and seagrass, neutral, natural colors. There's lots of whites as well and natural light coming in, making the space look even bigger. Not to mention with the new redesign, the ocean is now visible from every part of the home. Common living spaces in Luke's house have high beam ceilings, tall windows, and white walls, and you can take in the outside surroundings easily. Rugs and cozy furniture make the family room feel homey at the same time. The attached kitchen has marble countertops and accents, more white in the design like the cabinets, and the pine hardwood floors Luke actually salvaged from a factory in Georgia. Luke and Caroline's master bedroom here has a spacious ensuite, walk-in closet, and balcony. The home's large terrace comes complete with an outdoor shower, porch swing, and comfy casual furniture, surrounded by wicker furniture, making sure there's space for the whole family. Looking at Luke's Florida escape, it's no wonder the whole family loves it. So now we've seen Luke Bryan and his wife Caroline's properties, including their gorgeous farmhouse in Nashville they designed from the ground up, and their vacation getaway spot on Santa Rosa Beach, Florida. It seems that Luke has the best of both worlds, a lively farm is his main house that not only has a ton of land, but also has meaning to him and his family, and a spot on the beach they can go whenever they need a change of scenery. I really love that Luke and Caroline have so much space on the farm, not only for a gorgeous 10,000 square foot main house and their family, but also for rescue animals. Having that large barn and using their property to raise all of those animals in need is super.
And also Famous Entertainment. Thank you so much for giving us an opportunity to watch their famous mansion in Nashville and Florida. Thank you so much.